Welcome to the world of Jones Knows. Can you imagine a vinyl floor with no locking system, no tongue, no groove? Put it on the ground and you're done? Well, welcome to the world of loose lay vinyl. Today on Jones Knows.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be.
Hi, if you're new to the channel, my name is Tim. I'm a flooring and stair contractor. Been doing this for over 20 years. Helping me in the videos are my sons Tristan and Hunter. Today I got a chance to work with a really unique product called Karndean Loose Lay vinyl. Basically, you open the box, you throw it on the ground, and you're done. Well, not quite, but there's no locking system. You just put it on the ground, you cut your starters, cut your enders, you throw it down, you butt it together. There's nothing holding it down but gravity because there's no tongue, there's no groove. You just put it on the ground, push it together. You don't glue it, you don't click it, you don't lock it. Is it too good to be true? Is it that easy? Is there any drawbacks? Is it a good product? Will it last? Will it stay down? Will it stay together? These are all questions I have, questions we're going to be answering. We're going to see what this product's made of and if it is a viable option. It worried me a little bit because I'm so trained and used to locking and clicking. I was a little apprehensive saying, wow, you can't reinvent the wheel, right? Well, we're going to break it down and explain who it's good for, who it's not good for, and if it's a viable option for DIYers. Karndean LLP 92 Country Oak. Let's run it. So the product was super easy to work with. The key with this product is subfloor preparation. You have to scrape, clean, and get your floor like glass. You want it smooth, no imperfections, and possibly you may need to float or do leveling if it's not perfect. Then sweep, vacuum, and you're ready to go. Just like a regular vinyl floor, you'll cut your starters, your enders, and then you'll just butt the boards together. That's the beauty of this floor. There's no locking system, so there's no click, there's no tapping. They just lay the plank down. This has got to be the world's easiest flooring to install. It just goes in so nice. I was spoiled for a day and a half working on this floor. So you actually want to install this floor tight to all the walls, so you don't have to worry about expansion. So you push it into the wall, you push the boards together, and then when you get to your last rows, the idea is to cut it as tight as you can. Now, if for some reason you don't have anything you can cut tight to, or you think you can't cut it really tight, you can then glue your last rows down with a Karndean adhesive, and I found that I did use it in a few areas, but most of the floor I just cut in really tight, and the floor just pretty much holds itself into place. Cutting the boards in really tight is really easy. You just overlap them like we did here, and then run your knife right along the plank. Now here's the glue. This is where we glued a couple of areas. This was our starter row here. We laid the floor, took out the first row, put the adhesive down. Another place here we glued in front of the kitchen because this was a heavily walked-on area, so I didn't want to take any chances. And once the glue dries, it turns clear basically, and you just put the plank back in. Came out flawless. No corners sticking up, no edges. Almost better than a glue down or clicking floor. Beautiful light gray, not a lot of variation, so it wasn't a busy look. Very subtle, elegant color. On their website it looks much darker, almost browner. It's not in person. 4.5 mil thick, 20 mil wear layer, 10 inches wide, 42 inches long, textured, a very true square edge. There's a friction back on it, so that helps keep it down. It's this stuff here. Kind of grabs the concrete. I did the whole installation with nothing more than a razor knife. It cut really nice. For homeowners and DIYers, I think that this could be a game changer if it gets popular enough. It's not the cheapest product, but it is one of the easiest products that you could possibly ever hope to work with. It cuts really nice, it installs really nice, because you don't have to worry about locking systems breaking or anything going wrong. The boards just go together and it's a really nice true square edge. It looked like $1 million when we were done. It went in so nice. The concerns I had going into this, where I was worried about planks and boards opening, but I could see almost right away that these boards just don't slide around because of that backing that they have on them that actually almost grabs the concrete. It's difficult to slide the boards. You can push them very easily, but if you stand on the boards and try to kick it, it doesn't move very easily. So it's a unique system that they came up with. So one of my biggest concerns heading into this installation was I was concerned that I was going to see some corners or edges sticking up. A lot of times when we do a glue down installation, we'll roll it just to get all the edges pushed into the glue so we don't have any corners showing or sides of the boards raised. I was surprised to find out that this product did lay down very nice, pretty seamless and smooth once it was installed. The nice thing about this product is it's super easy to do repairs on. A traditional click floor, whether it's laminate, vinyl, whatever it is, even wood, it's difficult to remove a board and then get the new board to lock back in. For a homeowner or someone that doesn't do this for a living, you're gonna have a difficult time replacing planks in your floor. But not with this product. They recommend using a suction cup and just lifting the plank out. It's very simple just to remove a plank and pop a new one in. For DIYers, this is a dream. It goes in really nice. You don't need a lot of tools. What more can you ask for, right? Free installation? Never gonna happen. We know this around here. But if you're gonna do it yourself, this is the product for you. I think you're gonna love it. I think it's super easy to work with. Now, where you could have a problem is subfloor. If you don't have a really smooth subfloor, then this is definitely not the product for you, because you have to be perfect pretty much. You don't want to have corners or edges sticking up. If it's unlevel underneath, you have to patch. If you can patch, or you can hire someone to patch your floor, then you don't have anything to worry about. This is a beautiful product. It goes in super easy. I loved working with it. I would love to work with it more often. Highly recommend it. Check it out. I can't say enough good things about this product. I think it's for DIYers, or even if you want to have it installed. It looks, as you can see, amazing when it's done. It feels really nice when you walk on it. The Karndean Loose Lay vinyl, LLP 92, Country Oak, Loose Lay format. I love it. So I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Be sure to check out some of our other content. We have lots of how-to videos on vinyl, laminate, wood, stairs, as well as product reviews on vinyl, laminate, and more. As I like to say around here, take out your favorite floor mallet, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content.